Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to my channel Dua's Coding Club. Today we are going to create another game on Scratch. So here is the Scratch. I have searched for it. So we will double click on it. If you want to create more games, you can watch my other videos. I already have created other games. So kids, don't just play the game, let's create them. Click on the Scratch and here it's loading. If you want to create new games, if you want to create more games, you want to learn, you can watch my all the videos on my YouTube channel. So here is the Scratch interface. We are here now. This is our coding area. These were the blocks, the coding area, and our backdrop and sprite place. Here we make the games. I don't need the sprite, I will delete it. First I will search for a backdrop. We can search for the backdrop, ocean or underwater, any keyword you can use. So I used ocean. Here is the underwater because I am going to make this game a fish, a shark game in underwater. So I will select a sprite here. I will search for a fish, and here we will see I will select this fish. So if I put a pointer on it, the fish were changing. It means we were having these costumes. Now see, here is our fish. I think its size is big. I will reduce it to 70. Here is it has 100 the size. I will reduce it to 70 now. So this is the fish, the size is reduced. Now we will start. First of all, we will select this flag block. So the next is I will take a repeat 10 times. Means I need 10 copies of this fish to make it real. I will take the 10. I will make the 10 copies of this fish. Then I will select create clone of myself. Then what's next? The next is I will go to a random position. So what will happen? It created the 10 copies of fish on the random positions. You can see all the fish are on random position. It is giving some real look. Now see, I will arrange them first. Now what's next I will go and I will go to the costumes. I will show you that I told you before. These fish are available. These are the costumes of this single fish. I want all these costumes. I will select a next costume. Here all the costumes are here. See, they were the blue fish and the yellow. All the fish were available in this fish costume. I just selected next costume and I clicked on the flag. See, all the costumes are here. Now what's next? Next I will go to the control and I will select a block. When I start as a clone. What is clone? Clone is a fish. इसको हम इस टाइम यहाँ पे clone कह रहे हैं. We are calling it a fish. So what's next? Next I will say that I will select a next block which is forever. Forever. I will take this forever block and here I will move to the steps. How many steps? 3 steps. So I will reduce the steps which are 3. So when I start as a clone, I will click the flag. The forever, they will go 3 steps. Move 3 steps. So the original clone is here. Stop the game. Now we will go and we will hide it. So we will put this hide and show on the up. For when we will click the flag, it's show, but then it's gone. It's hide. See. So this is the game. Let's go and make it more real. Go on motion and select if on edge bounce. If on edge bounce, what we will select? We will select the next block. If on edge bounce, set rotation style, left or right. Okay, the rotation style can be left or right, and if it bounce on the edge. So what's next? Select a turn block, turn to 15 degree, and we will put it here under the forever. So the next is we will take a turn to 15 degree again, change the its values. If we will turn 3 degree, move 3 steps, again turn 3 degree. So these steps we will put all the blocks, put like this, and see if clicked on the flag, the fish are moving, they are turning to the 3 degree, moving 3 steps. So stop it now. Now let's go. What's next? Next I will take another sprite, which is a shark. I hope you are enjoying making this fun game. See the shark, it also has two costumes, the closed mouth costume and an open mouth costume. You can see here it's a closed, no, it has three costumes, sorry. See this costume, this and this, these three costumes it has. Now next, it has a big size. First reduce the size is 100, we will reduce it to 70. See the costume shark is, sorry, the sprite shark is here. Now we want it to move it to the left, right, up and down. So we all know we go the left, right, we take x, and up, down, y. So when we clicked on the flag, go to the forever block, take the if condition, go on the sensing, and key space pressed. What will press? The right arrow. On the keyboard, if we will press the right arrow, the sprite will move to the right side, and the same like that we will select the for the left, up and down. So here I selected point in direction. If the right key or right arrow is clicked, point in the direction 90. See, they are pointing in the direction 90. I clicked on the flag and you can see the results. Let's go for the next steps. What is that? Let's go, and I told you for the right and left you will take the x, you change x by 5. See, now it's going, see, I am clicking, pressing the right, it's going in the right direction. So duplicate it, it's here, let's drag it up, again duplicate it, because we want 4 same blocks for right, left, up, down. So these are 4, so we want same 4 steps. Yes, here I will put it. Now what next? I will go and we will convert this right arrow to the left. See, if the left arrow clicked, point to the direction. First on the x, the point to the direction was 90, and change x by 5. But here the point direction will be minus 90, will be minus, because for the right it will be plus and for the left it will be minus. So here I will put it minus 90 on the other direction. See, and here the change x by 5, here this was positive 5 plus 5, here I will put minus 5. See, now what's next? Next I will go the right arrow, this will be the up arrow. I told you right, left, up, down. So the first of all we will point the direction which is 90. I will point it to the 0, it will start from the 0, and next change x will convert into change y. I told you for the up and down we take the y positions. If you want to know about x and y directions, you can ask me in the comment box. I will make a complete video. So here is the down arrow, and I will again change this x into y and put it back. So I was saying you can ask me in the comments box. I will make a new video, more video, to make you understand completely these x and y positions. And I can also explain all the blocks thoroughly in a new video if you will ask me to do in the comment box. Say I will see. I'm going to change its direction, which is 180 now. Here it is 180, and change y by -5. Now you can see here is the complete code block, and now we will use see the shark for the right, left, up and down arrow. It is working. Now it's moving. So now make it more real. How? See, when it's going to the fish are not, it cannot eat the fish. Now let's make it more real. Stop it first. What's next? Another code block for this. I will go to the events. What's next? Next I will select a flag block. When the flag is clicked, forever block, I will take this forever, and we will go to the looks, and in the looks we will select another block, which is next costume, as you can see, the shark is not changing its costume. It is only showing this closed mouth one costume. I already have shown you that it has three costumes: the up down and the open mouth one costume. Say from the looks I selected this next costume. Now it will change the costume. I also put this set rotation style to the left right. Don't forget to add this block here. Do it consciously and with proper attention. Here go to the control. I'm trying to make you understand in a very simple words. So here we will take this block, wait for 0.5 seconds. Now click on the flag. See, it's changing the costumes after every 0.5 seconds. You can see. If you like this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icons to get more videos, to learn more. See, we can see the costume here. It's changing the costumes. The shark is changing the costumes after every 0.5 seconds. So students, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So here click the flag and you can see the shark is going, opening its mouth, changing the costumes. It means what's next? Let's stop it and go to the fish, because the fish were not disappearing. Let's make it more real. Take another code block. If condition, go to the sensing. In the if condition, we will go and select touching mouse pointer. If it's touching not, now we will select the option from the mouse pointer. We will go to the shark, click on it and go to the shark, select the shark too, and go and select this block, delete this clone. Now what will happen? See, I click the flag, the shark is going, and when touched the clone is deleted. See, this is the game. So now the last but not the least, the last step is we will make a variable. Go and click on the make a variable. Here we will write score, SCORE, score. Okay. See, a score box is appeared on the game screen. Here you can see it is 0. What's next? Next, what we will do, we will go to this our fish blocks and select a block which is C. my variable, set my variable, and we will turn this, select my variable to score. So set my variable in to onto 0. And what's next? The next is, we'll go drag it up fast. Now we will go and we will select, see it's organized. Now I will select another, change my variable by 1, will put it here in if condition. So my variable will turn into score. So change my variable to 1. What does it means? It means whenever the shark will touch the clone, the score will turn into 1, and then it will keep increasing by 1 and we will get more scores. So first of all, let's organize it, and then we will see. Let's click the flag, click all, apply. Now apply on this, click the flag, see. Now go click the flag on full screen, we will see, play the game. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you want to make more new games like this.